The Adams County Together team is here to answer your business questions. Today's question is, what everyday items can I use to make a face mask?
Hi, my name is Katie McConnell. I'm the Emergency Response Coordinator for the Adams County Health Department, and today I'm going to show you how to make a t-shirt no-sew mask following the CDC's guidelines. So the things you'll need for today are a t-shirt, scissors, ruler, and a marker. So you'll just take your t-shirt and lay it flat. You'll want to use your ruler and measure about 7 inches from the bottom to here. And then I measured an inch down from 7 inches to make the straps. And then from the side, you'll want to measure out 4 inches, and this part will be the front of the mask. So then you take your scissors and start cutting. And this is an option if you can't get your hands on a sewn one, or don't have any other options. So you want to make that cut all the way across, and you don't need that. So then from your inch marking, you'll do the same thing and cut across to your other line. Take some time. And it's important to wear a mask in public when social distancing cannot be maintained. And this is what's really going to help slow the spread of COVID and get us back to a new normal. So then we've made our cuts to our line like I showed previously. And then we'll just cut out this middle piece. Okay, we don't need that anymore. So then you're stuck with this. Now your ends here, we're gonna make a cut and make that 2 pieces. Cut and make that 2 pieces. And then you have a mask, and I'm gonna ask my friend Dr. Connolly from Southern Illinois University of Medicine to demonstrate how to tie and put it on.
So when I put on a mask, I always put it over the bridge of my nose first, and we want to tie it at the crown of your head. And the reason you tie that one first is so that you have some pressure on the crown or at the bridge of your nose. And then you tie it at the base of your neck. And important not to double knot so that you can get it off later.
And that is how you make a t-shirt no-sew mask. Thank you for watching this video, and for more information, please go to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Thanks.